Good morning, class. My name is Rex Idar. I'm your instructor for today's lesson. Today, let's tackle about a pronoun. By the way, what is a pronoun? Okay. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Moreover, pronouns are used so that our language is not cumbersome with the same nouns being repeated over and over in a paragraph. By the way, what is cumbersome? When we say cumbersome, it is not easily moved or handled as because of a large size. So there are many kinds of pronouns. Some examples such as I, me, myself, you, she, her, hers, herself, we, us, ours, and ourselves. For example, I have here an example. Flor is a girl. She is a girl. So she is refer to Flor. She take place the noun Flor. Okay, another. Cat is an animal. It is an animal. So cat is an animal. The word it take place the noun cat. Okay, alright. You may have noticed that they tend to come in sets of four, all referring to a some person or group or thing. Example, he, him, his, and himself. These all refer to a male person or something belonging to him. If it is girl, so you may use she. If it is boy, you may use he. Another, they, them, theirs, and themselves. These all refer to a group or something belonging to a group and so on. For example, our teacher and Mr. Barney said they would go to the meeting. So the word they, it is a group of person, right? It is take the word they take place the noun Mr. Barnes and that teacher. Okay. So there are different types of pronouns. So next meeting I'm gonna show you the different kinds of pronouns. So as of to that's all for today, and see you next meeting for our final topic, the parts of pronoun. Thank you.